In search of a fusion of food and fun, the south of Joburg, or Sojo as it's called, has it all. There was a lot of love and awards going around recently. To raise awareness of what the district has to offer, chefs from the top restaurants battled it out at the Great Southern Cook-Off. Chef Moses from Callisto's won.
Now, Moses, between you, me, and the walls, what was the secret ingredient?
To be honest with you, you have to kill me first before I give you all the secret ingredients. But because it's you, I'll show you, I'll go through with you how I do the dish. It's a mix of seafood. It's a traditional Portuguese dish of which it consists of all the seafood mix on it, the prawns, the calamari.
Mpho's not about to share Chef Moses' seafood rice secrets, but did mention Portuguese spices and pepper sauce have starring roles.
The inspiration for this dish, the owner of Callisto's, Mr. George Callisto, when he cooked this dish, he cooked it with a passion. So that's what inspired me to know what, every time I touch this dish, I must have a heart on it.
The South is also home to one of SA's iconic theme park destinations, and they recently won a coveted award.
Eugene, Gold Reef City just won Leisure Options Best of Joburg Award. What was the criteria for the award?
Well, the criteria is based on readers that read the leisure options, and obviously it's voted for by the people that read that publication, and they get involved in what to do around Joburg. There's numerous categories within that publication, and we are chosen for the best place to take out of towners. I think for Joburg as a whole, it means that we're starting to focus on the south of Joburg. So our job at Gold Reef City is to re-establish what it is to do in the south. And if you consider the events and things that we're running at the moment around our property, what we're trying to do is we're trying to showcase why the south of Joburg is a great place to be, and obviously predominantly in our area and in our catchment area and in our precinct.
The Sojo area is richly endowed with restaurants and fun activities for the whole family, so get out and explore.